front of me is POCO M8 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling a tiny bit to hit Display and Brightness. Then scroll again, but this time click on Font Settings. Now it's time to operate this slider in order to adjust it and check out Preview at the top. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!